go from 80 pounds to 100 pounds.
They carry that on their
And
back?
they carry it on their back.
To how much?
To 100.
Whoa.
Yeah, now can you imagine why we can't find people? We are working on a new pack that's more friendly to your back. But whether that'll happen or not, I don't know. It's expensive. Okay, where's this?
The basket is bigger than you.
You know what? When it comes to height, that's not saying much. Now, roundless? Okay. All right. And that is the weapon in the field. And off he goes. You'll notice in the field there are these ditches. These are winter ditches that are dug for rain drainage in the wintertime. Now, you'll see when we'll come by some fields where they're smoothing out the ditches because no rain at this time of year. Usually that's it. You know, this plant has been denuded. So I will proceed further on here in search of. Be careful in here. Jump over the ditches. And I will show you where they really have to get gotten. I'm going to take one with worms. You'll wonder why the annuals are susceptible to all the diseases and pests just like the perennials, but they're in the field a lot less time than the perennials, so you get a better production. Now this guy is hurting. He's got insect disease. You can see it on the top. You've got some insects got to it. Now the harvester will take the artichoke, one-handed, cut, toss. That's the way you do it. Who's next?
Can I try?
Who wants a? I have to go get my box.
You do it without the gloves? Do I have to do it with the basket?
No, you don't have to. For a photo opportunity, you might want to wear the canasta. Wear it so you get your picture taken. In you go. Find your artichoke. Share the knives.
Alright.
Ready, set, go.
Which one do we take? Any?